20 is better for her. And Pete maybe...
Flavia's looking through the window.
Is he?
And he made a hand gesture and then went away. Do we sort of want to get them back to back, don't we?
Yeah, ideally. Just thanking Sarah.
Hi.
I've got like a really funny remix which sounds super Eurotrash.
But that'll be harder for us to sing.
True. Is it hard if people pretty much won't know the song? I'd be surprised if they knew this song. As in, do we want something everyone can sing along to really easily?
Out of like walking along the corridor and sitting down in the room.
Yeah.
Let's listen to it and then see.
I think I can't remember the name of the remix.
Lana Del Rey National Anthem Karaoke version. That way I'll be able to see the...
We're thinking about how to get the audience ready for being in the space. So how to do some decompression, just in order to make a transition into what they're about to see, because it's not huge. Well, it's not really very performative what we're doing, but we're just trying to think of a way to get them ready and about a song. We haven't played with that before, having everyone involved in a song to warm them up. Got quite a few people on board, but then it may all go wrong when we try and call them because they might just have forgotten or be doing different things. So we'll just have to hope. Oh, I get the remix. Cashmere Cat remix.
Cashmere Cat. Oh, this is karaoke version, as in it doesn't have her. It doesn't have her.
Try this one.
Go ahead.
Money is the reason we exist.
This isn't what I was looking for.
Everybody knows it. Money is the reason we exist. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows it. Money is the reason.
That wasn't the one I was looking for.
Everybody knows it.
See if I've got anything in my...
Things I can sing, if we take it from that perspective.
Yeah.
I know a bit of paparazzi. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me. Paparazzi.
Do you want everyone to sing to these? Being any younger? It makes me run really fast.
My God, you really need to do something about your obsession with
Yeah. I'll get to the chorus. Come on.
Because I mean, this could also just be entrance music if we get speakers.
Come on.
There is a light. There is a light to all this darkness. I will tell you this. There's redemption in you. Asking confused why it is a mess. It's all better left unspoken when you know you ain't getting any younger. Are you?
Run.
The thing is, both of these, all of that's quite earnest. Do you know what I mean?
What's
Like,
that?
if I walked into a room without playing loudly, the tone it would set would be quite like, just because of the pace of it and the
Yeah.
Maybe we want something more surreal and more ridiculous.
Do you want some gypsy music?
Oh, have you seen Hug Every Cat? Can't hug every cat.
No.
Look, just for pleasure, let's do this.
Do you want some Albanian wedding music?
Possibly.
What is this? Can you see?
This is my first attempt at a eHarmony video.
Oh no, you're joking.
I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. So I'm just gonna start talking about what I like. I love cats. I love every kind of cat. I just wanna hug all of them, but I can't get on every cat. Anyway, I'm a cat lover and I love to run. I'm sorry, I'm thinking about cats again. Love cats. Love cats again. And again, many don't have a home. And how I should have them. I think about how cute they are and how their ears and no
No, this isn't for real.
Anger. People are angry, but they can't explain why.
Hello, sir, and why are you here today?
I'm here to protest, but I'm going on a march. I want Britain to be back British. I want Britain to be back British. I'm going on a march. I want Britain to be back British. I want Britain to be back British.